Hey beautiful people, welcome to Tech Gan Unlimited. Hello friends, today we are going to discuss computer operator question and answer with solution. This exam was conducted yesterday by Lumbini Pradesh Lok Seva Ayog. Remember to hit that like button, share this video with friends and subscribe to our channel. Now let's discuss the question and answer. Question number 1. The act of checking input data against specified criteria is known as option A. Data validation, option B. Data verification, option C. Cross check, option D. Data control. Correct answer is option A. Data validation. Which is invalid query type in MS Access? Select query, option B. Make table query, option C. Append query, option D. Remove query. Correct answer is option D. Remove query. What do you call to a primary key field of a table included in another table? Option A. Compound key, option B. Composite key, option C. Foreign key, option D. Primary key. Correct answer is option C. Foreign key. Which of the following data type automatically generates consecutive numbers? Option A. Memo, option B. Auto number, option C. Number, option D. Primary key. Correct answer is option B. Auto number. Which of the following in presentation system allows to change the color of different objects without changing content? Option A. Design template, option B. Object color, option C. Color scheme, option D. Font color. Correct answer is option C. Color scheme. A PowerPoint feature that allows you to standardize specific visual aspect of your presentation such as fonts, images and themes across all slides like a template is? Option A. Notes master, option B. Handout master, option C. Slide master, option D. Notes page. Correct answer is option C. Slide master. In HTML, each table cell is defined by option A. Table tag, option B. tr tag, option C. ts tag, option D. td tag. Correct answer is option D. td tag. In HTML document, an ordered list is created by ... tag. Option A. ul, option B. ulist, option C. uolist, option D. uol. Correct answer is option A. ul. Which schedule in the Constitution of Nepal includes the national anthem of Nepal? Option A, Schedule 1. Option B, Schedule 2. Option C, Schedule 3. Option D, Schedule 4. Correct answer is option B, Schedule 2. सूचना सञ्चार प्रविधि नीति 2072 अनुसार सो नीतिको कार्यान्वयन, अनुगमन तथा मूल्याङ्कन गर्ने दायित्व कसको हुने उल्लेख छ? अप्सन ए, सञ्चालक समिति। अप्सन बी, निर्देशक समिति। अप्सन सी, सूचना तथा सञ्चार मन्त्रालय। अप्सन डी, शिक्षा विज्ञान तथा प्रविधि मन्त्रालय। Correct answer is option B, निर्देशक समिति. A digital signature is a mathematical technique which validates all of the following except option A, authenticity. Option B, integrity. Option C, non-repudiation. Option D, confidentiality. Correct answer is option D, confidentiality. Which of the following provides legal base for the use of digital signatures in Nepal? Option A, ICT Policy 2072. Option B, Electronic Transaction Act 2063. Option C, Ministry of Law. Option D, Supreme Court. Correct answer is option B, Electronic Transaction Act 2063. Identify the type of machine learning in which well-level training data is used. Option A, supervised learning. Option B, semi-supervised learning. Option C, unsupervised learning. Option D, reinforcement learning. Correct answer is option A, supervised learning. Is a social media platform best suited for professional networking and job hunting? Option A, Facebook. Option B, Twitter. Option C, LinkedIn. Option D, Snapchat. Correct answer is option C, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social media platform best suited for professional networking and job hunting. निजामती कर्मचारीलाई कति अवधिसम्म कायम मुकायम मुकर्रर गर्न सकिन्छ? अप्सन ए, बढीमा 3 महिनासम्म. अप्सन बी, बढीमा 6 महिनासम्म. अप्सन सी, बढीमा 1 वर्षसम्म. अप्सन डी, अवधिसम्म पनि. करेक्ट एन्सर इज अप्सन बी, बढीमा 6 महिनासम्म. सार्वजनिक खरिद ऐन 2063 अनुसार कति मूल्यभन्दा माथिको मालसामान खरिद गर्दा लागत अनुमान तयार तथा स्वीकृति गर्नु पर्दछ? अप्सन ए, रु 25 लाख. अप्सन बी, रु 50 लाख, रु 50,000. अप्सन सी, रु 75,000. अप्सन डी, रु 1 लाख. करेक्ट एन्सर इज अप्सन डी, रु 1 लाख. सामान्यतया नागरिक बडापत्रमा कति तलका मध्ये कुन कुरा उल्लेख गरिँदैन? अप्सन ए सम्बन्धित कार्यालयले दिने सेवा र त्यसको प्रकृति। अप्सन बी सम्बन्धित कार्यालयका कर्मचारीको नाम, पद र टेलिफोन नम्बर। अप्सन सी सेवा प्राप्त गर्न पेश गर्नुपर्ने कागजात। अप्सन डी सेवा प्रदान गर्न लाग्ने समयावधि। करेक्ट एन्सर इज अप्सन बी सम्बन्धित कार्यालयका कर्मचारीको नाम, पद र टेलिफोन नम्बर। वैज्ञानिक व्यवस्थाको सिद्धान्त साइन्टिफिक म्यानेजमेन्ट थ्योरी कसको सिद्धान्त हो? अप्सन ए फ्रेड डब्ल्यू रिक्स। अप्सन बी म्याक्स वेबर। अप्सन सी एफ डब्ल्यू टेलर। अप्सन डी इल्टन मायर। करेक्ट एन्सर इज अप्सन सी एफ डब्ल्यू टेलर। सार्वजनिक खरिद अनुगमन कार्यालय कुन निकाय अन्तर्गत पर्दछ? अप्सन ए अर्थ मन्त्रालय। अप्सन बी महालेखा परीक्षकको कार्यालय। अप्सन सी सङ्घीय मामिला तथा सामान्य प्रशासन मन्त्रालय। अप्सन डी प्रधानमन्त्री तथा मन्त्री परिषदको कार्यालय। करेक्ट एन्सर इज अप्सन डी प्रधानमन्त्री तथा मन्त्री परिषदको कार्यालय। Which computer type is mostly used for automating operations? Option A analog, option B digital, option C hybrid, option D mechanical. Correct answer is option C hybrid. What function is related to the control unit of CPU? Option A arithmetic operations, option B logical operations, option C instruction decoding and fetching, option D storing frequently accessed data and instructions to speed up the CPU. Correct answer is option C instruction decoding and fetching. Which of the following service allows a user to log into another computer somewhere on the internet? Option A email, option B Usenet, option C Telnet, option D FTP. Correct answer is option C Telnet. Which of the following is not a security threat? Option A ethical hacking, option B phishing, option C SQL injection, option D social engineering. Correct answer is option A ethical hacking. What is the storage of firmware? Option A RAM, option B ROM, option C registers, option D cache memory. Correct answer is option B ROM. Which of the following topology comprises of multiple topologies? Option A hybrid, option B complex, option C mesh, option D ring. Correct answer is option A hybrid. The range of hexadecimal number system is option A 1 to 16, option B 0 to 16, option C 1 to 9 and A to F, option D 0 to 9 and A to F. Correct answer is option D 0 to 9 and A to F. How many characters, symbols or values are represented by ASCII 7 code? Option A 128, option B 254, option C 256, option D 3200. Correct answer is option A 128 characters. A series of dialog boxes that provide guidelines and instructions to complete the task is called option A dialog box, option B task pane, option C wizard, option D template. Correct answer is option C wizard. Which of the following is not the function of operating system? Option A process management, option B memory management, option C job scheduling, option D data backup and recovery. Correct answer is option D data backup and recovery. In Windows operating system, date and time display on option A taskbar, option B system tray, option C status bar, option D launchpad. Correct answer is option B system tray. The default file extension of Microsoft Paint program is option A JPG, option B JPEG, option C PSD, option D PNG. Correct answer is option D PNG. In S2O, which effect has been applied to the figure 2? Option A subscript, option B superscript, option D lowered, option D laid down. Correct answer is option A subscript. The rest of lines of paragraph in Microsoft Word are indented rather than first line is option A first line indent, option B hanging indent, option C left indent, option D right indent. Correct answer is option B hanging indent. Which of the following is not a valid paragraph alignment? Option A left, option B justified, option C top, option D right. Correct answer is option C top. Which is the best suited definition about gutter margin? Option A margin that is added to the left margin, option B margin that is added to the right margin, option C margin that is added to the binding side of page, option D margin that is added to the outside of the page. Correct answer is option C, margin that is added to the binding side of page. What are the default lines to drop in DropCap? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 5. Correct answer is option C 3. Which of the following is not a valid page margin type? Option A right, option B left, option C center, option D top. Correct answer is option C center. Decreasing the space between characters is termed as option A corning, option B expanded, option C condensed, option D scale. Correct answer is option C condensed. Which of the following key combination breaks the column from insertion point and starts a new column immediately? Option A Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter, option B Alt plus Shift plus Enter, option C Ctrl plus Enter, option D Alt plus Enter. Correct answer is option A Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. A numeric value can be treated as a label value if ... precedes it. Option A apostrophe, option B exclamation, option C hash, option D tilde. Correct answer is option A apostrophe. What is the default value for step in fill series dialog box? Option A 0, option B 1, option C 5, option D 10. Correct answer is option B 1. Which feature of Excel helps us to pick just the data that we need based on the parameters set by us? Option A conditional formatting, option B if conditions, option C lookup formulas, option D filtering. Correct answer is option D filtering. What does edit delete command in Excel do? Option A deletes the content of a cell, option B deletes format of cell, option C deletes the comment of cell, option D deletes selected cells. Correct answer is option D deletes selected cells. What function display current date and time in Excel? Option A date function, option B today function, option C now function, option D date time now function. Correct answer is option C, now function. An Excel workbook is a collection of option A, charts, option B, worksheets, option C, charts and worksheet, option D, workspaces. Correct answer is option A, option C, charts and worksheets. Getting data from a cell located in a different sheet is called option A, accessing, option B, referring, option C, referencing, option D, updating. Correct answer is option C, referencing. Which of the following symbol is used for concatenation of text in Microsoft Excel? Option A, tilde, option B, dollar, option C, underscore, option D, ampersand. Correct answer is option D, ampersand. Cell value in A2 is 12. What will be the output of formula if A2 less than 10, 5, 7? Option A, 5, option B, 7, option C, 10, option C, 12. Correct answer is option B, 7. Which of the following is not a feature of DBMS? Option A, minimum duplication and redundancy of data. Option B, high level of security. Option C, single user access only. Option D, support ACID property. Correct answer is option C, single user access only. Which of the following database object allows to select only certain records in the database to prepare from letters? Option A, table. Option B, form. Option C, query. Option D, report. This is the last question of this exam. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video and like this video. Correct answer is option C, query. Thank you for watching.